much for joining. Today we're going to go over Sneakin' Sally Through the Alley. This is another one of those songs that, in my ignorance, I thought this was a Phish song all along, for the longest time. It's just one of those songs that they've covered, but it just sounds like Phish. It's not their song, but I thought it was for a long time. So we're going to go over this lesson today. There's not a ton to it. It's a super fun song to play. You can really do a lot with it playing it by yourself. So we'll go over the chords and the rhythm and all that good stuff. And as always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. And let's hop in. Alright, so Sneakin' Sally, we start on a B. Playing this bar B here. And it's definitely a funky song, so you've got to give it a little rhythm, so we're not playing that straight B like that, right? So I like to hit that. I like to hit that bass note there on the low E string on that 7th fret as I'm barring the B here. Kind of helps you get into the rhythm. You're going to go to an E, D, so after your B here, so you play this E. You can keep your bar on the 7th fret there, and now you're just going to bar the 9th fret with your ring finger, and get your E. Then you take off that ring finger, and now you've got a D. So that's really cool, actually, when you think about it. So you're barred here, and I've got a B. All right. So then I take those off, and I just have my ring finger here now on this 9th fret. I've got an E. Take that off, and I've got a D. Pretty cool. So sorry. So when you're doing that E, this E to that D, you do, for the most part, just want to focus on the D, the G, and the B string there. So if that little riff there, you can do, so on the G string here, on the 9th fret to the 7th fret to the 8th fret there. So it's you're hammering on from the 7th to the 8th there. So for there, so let me go back to this again real quick. Well, actually, I'll go through it slowly. So that part there, I was on the 9th fret here on the D, pulling off to the 7th fret, then 9th fret of the A, back to the 7th of the D, then hammering onto the 9th of the D, and that kind of resolves it there. Now you can also, so you don't have to just hit the G there. You can play the E to the D, and that's kind of how I was doing it. And it goes right back into your B. primarily that song. That's your verse for the most part there. Then you've got the little, I guess, little chorus there. So. And you go back to your rhythm. One thing I was just doing there, if you play bar chords a lot in a song, sometimes your hands get a little tired of holding it down like that. So for this B, you can just, instead of barring it here, you can move your index finger over to the 7th fret of that B string, and it's still a B. Just doesn't have that root note there, right? If you're playing lots of bar chords and songs and your hands are getting a little tired, obviously keep working on it and strengthen them up, but you can give yourself a little bit of relief. You can do that with pretty much any of these chords, right? Your A, you can do that. Same with your G. So you can do that with all those chords just to make your life a little bit easier there. Again, so that is Sneakin' Sally Through the Alley. Super fun song to play. Doesn't take a ton to get it down. Once you get it down, you can have an awful lot of fun with it. Alright, thank you all very much for watching. Please leave any feedback, comments below, and we'll see you again soon.